This is a repairability test for Justin Johnson at 102 Claytor Lane. This is the back slope. So I'm going to start about here. I've got starting to push through right here. No, I've got tearing here. I'm gonna have to stop this repairability test at this point and reseal this shingle down. This is just the first one for the back slope. The slope has failed a repairability test, so I'm gonna stop here. All right, this is a repairability test for Justin Johnson. This is the second upper level back slope. I'm gonna start with this shingle here for its repairability test. No. Right here. Got penetration through the shingle. It's ripping through right there. I cannot continue with this repairability test either for fear of damaging the roof, so I'm going to stop right here. This is the repairability test for the front slope for Justin Johnson on the upper level, second story. No, I can't get this through without causing rips to the shingle. And in fact, I feel like it's ripping this under one. See right here. This shingle is too brittle to continue with this repairability test. I'm gonna have to stop here as well. This is the third one. This is Justin Johnson's repairability test on the front left slope of the house. This is south facing. No, I'm getting ripping on this shingle as well. I've got cracking and ripping happening right here as well. That's two different points that want to crack. I'm gonna have to stop on this one as well, reseal this shingle. This shingle has also failed its repairability test.